Yo, so we are in Alabama getting ready for the Talladega Race. Rucker Nutrition sponsoring a NASCAR. Shout out to Clay. Shout out to GK Racing. We're coming to you, Talladega. Let's go.
Go, baby.
We're down in Alabama. Duck season. We have buckets. Go. I'm really scared of what the video is going to look like. So right now we're waiting on him qualifying. So this part right here is very important for us to make it to the main race. He has to fall in the top.
We don't know.
I think
He'll
15,
tell us,
something like that. But
this is the most intense part.
Yeah.
That
Pressure.
we know of.
Pressure.
If he doesn't qualify, what's up?
Doesn't qualify, it's over.
Yeah,
it's over for us. Yeah, we went to the house.
Yeah, it was actually intense just getting here. We literally just got here and they start in 30 seconds.
Yeah, so we failed inspection twice.
I don't know if I put all that on it.
He made it though. I mean, he made it. We failed twice, but we made it. So we're good now.
No one can hear me.
How long do we have?
So we have 5 minutes. Yeah, from when he's supposed to take off. So to get him started.
So what does that mean?
We're done. We're done. Really? Yep. Let's start.
Ever since Daytona, he's been wanting to get a new car, and he finally got a new car, new engine. We're not even gonna get to be able to race.
That's why he's so good, because he can use his talent on
it, yeah.
And, you know, drive his way up to the front. And it's just the hardest part is getting through qualifying.
Yeah.
If you can qualify, he can bring you to the front.
Race, yeah.
It's just.
And that's what Jordan was saying was on paper with the new truck. He's like, he's in the top 15.
Yeah.
Charles?
Yeah. Everybody calls me Ruck.
Ruck?
Yeah.
Everyone calls me Pete.
All right, Pete.
But my friends call me Pete.
Okay guys, if you could not tell, we did not get a chance to race. Why? Because some kill switch was connected to the engine. Every time we started the engine, the kill switch was going on, blah, 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 blah. Things happen, minor setback. Long story short, make your way out to Talladega. Why? Because Talladega was a crazy experience. I mean, you don't get more American than fast cars and freedom. I mean, Roscoe Flats even has a song about fast cars and freedom. You don't look a day over fast cars and freedom. But with all that being said, make sure you go to Instagram. I am Coda Rucker, that's Charles' wife. I am Charles Rucker, that's Charles, Rucker Nutrition, all over social media. Big shout to Clay, big shout to GK Racing. I mean, you win something, you lose something. You know what I'm saying? And we definitely were going to win. New truck, new engine. I know Clay was going to perform at a high level, but these things happen. Also, go to my Instagram, Shot by Roscoe. Go to my thing where I sell prints, the website. Go to my website where I sell prints, and make sure you get yourself a nice little print, you know, before the price start going up. Who knows? You know, it's only $600. Spend some money. But make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe, because if you don't, Instagram, YouTube, it just doesn't push things in the algorithm for smaller channels. And I'm not about to pay ad revenue. They got me messed up. They got the wrong one. Much love. God bless you.